Good morning, and good morning. Welcome once again to our Blackpool Biker. We're on Monday. It's just about bob on 7:30. I've left it. I was going to come out before, but it weren't even light. It's you see what sort of day it is. It's bloody horrible. It's not good at all. Let's put it that way. So it's throwing it down. It's windy. When we get round the corner from the Claremont, it's probably going to be a lot of wind, so fair warning. It's throwing it down. It's bloody one of them disgusting mornings. We're going to have a look at the seat. See what we can see. The seat. You can see what sort of morning it is. Show you down Dixon. Oh God, it's bloody horrible. On Dixon Road there. Claremont back off. Get that there. Never pass there, by the way. He's going to get splashed. Just a little bit there. A massive puddle there. See if a car comes by. Well, there's going to be a car come by, you know, but look at that. Bloody hell. It's not stopped. It's not stopped. Good God. What a lovely morning. What a gorgeous morning, eh? Oh. Let me know what it's like where you are. See if we can get crossed in a minute. Oh, Jesus. Look at the skies, they're just grey, aren't they? Oh. A windy, rainy. Yeah, we love these mornings. There we go. We can cross. Oh, bloody wind's biting. Wowza. So, looks like we've got... It's not too windy at the moment. Right, a couple of thanks. George picked that up yesterday after the cenotaph. Thank you very much, mate. Much appreciated. Thank you so much, sir. Thanks, George. Pam missed you yesterday. Sorry, Pam said she's got a phone for me, so thanks, Pam. Let me know how I can pick it up, will you? I'm around and about today, but I'll be back later on this afternoon if there's some way of picking it up, or if you just leave it behind the bar with Daz or Tash. They own the pub now, Townsman, Daz and Tash. I think Daz would have been behind the bar when you were there yesterday, but I missed you because I left early, with it being a school day today. So I had to get back to Biker Towers early yesterday, obviously. But thanks once again, Pamela, Pam, for doing that for me. It's much appreciated. Yeah, and if you let me know how I can pick it up, just leave a comment or whatever, or you know, something along those lines. Once again, thanks to Gary, Woody and Linda for sorting everything out. Don't forget as well, like and subscribe. I think we only need 20 odd, Linda normally knows these, 20 odd more subscribers. It's free to subscribe, and then we're on 6,000 subscribers. I think it's 20 something anyway. Sorry, wind noise. That's no good hiding behind the post because it's coming this way. Behind the pillar. Oh, wow. Yeah, if you're out today, wrap up. Blooming horrible. Yeah, so and thanks of course to everybody. Some's been watching the channel since it began, whenever, during COVID obviously, so we could see a lot were wanting to see what Blackpool were like during lockdowns and what have you, so that's when we started. And we still do that to this day. So, you know, that's why we do these early mornings, so people could see what it's exactly like in Blackpool. They're not live, but they're almost live. This will be on in an hour's time. Like I say, it's 7:30 now. Oh, I told you it was going to be windy, so please no complaints. This is what it's like this morning. Oh, got my soppy hat on, Linda. Keeping my brain, well, keeping whatever that is in my skull warm. Looks like it's brightening up over that way, doesn't it? A little bit. Really not a nice morning. Oh, thank you for that. That went right through. Cold to the bone. Oh. Well, I'm going to walk up Cocker Street in a minute. It shouldn't be so windy up there. Yeah, I ran out of coffee. Gary rang me before. I said, "I've got enough chocolate, mate. I've run out of coffee." I totally forgot to get some yesterday. So we're just going to walk up to the little shop in a minute. Oh, that's a bit better. It's not quite so blowy now. Walk over to let the tram come by. We'll have a wander up Cocker Street. Go little shop. Pay a fortune for a little jar of coffee when I've gone to Lidl, £1.99 for a big jar. Constant stream of traffic, but we've got the crossing here. Bear with. I've pressed the button, red man's waiting. Oh. Yeah, so thanks to everyone that's liked and subscribed. Don't forget though, like, will you, and subscribe. It's free, don't cost out. The stream stops that way and then starts this way, as you can see. Ah, there we go. And cross. Let's wander up Cocker Street a minute. Oh, blimmin' heck. That were nippy then. That bloody wind. Yeah, so really appreciated this weekend. We did go to Cenotaph yesterday. I don't know if everyone saw it. And the comment I put on Facebook, Gary rang me. No, it was just having a laugh. Don't take the wrong way. Oh, let's get over here quick. Yeah, I was meant to be getting a kebab or something on the way home. I left early. Walked in back at hours. Idiot hasn't got anything in. Excuse me. So, blame firmly on myself, nobody else. Please don't be thinking that. I love them little houses down there. They're like little fishermen's cottages. I'd love to have one of them right next to the beach. Remind me of little fishermen's cottages in Devon, you know. Them little ones in Sidmouth, if you've ever been to Sidmouth, or any coastal town really in Devon. There we go, so we've had a little wander, haven't we? Bobbing little shop here. So, yeah, once again, thanks to everybody, especially George, thanks for that, appreciated. Pam, thank you for that. Like I say, if you let me know how I can pick it up or whatever, or if you like, just leave it behind the bar. I trust Daz and Tash. You know, they know me, I know them, I've known Tash for years. Tash is Danny's daughter. So anyway, we'll leave it here then. Hope everyone has a great day, a great week. Most of all, stay safe. You know what it is. Have a cracking day.